Someone recently asked me what kind of food I usually eat when I am trying to lose weight. These days, I often make simple meals with tofu and cabbage. They're easy to prepare, and they make me feel full for quite a long time. That is why I think they are quite good for a healthy diet. One dish I like to make is soft tofu gratin. First, I put soft tofu in a bowl and roughly mash it with a spoon. Then I add some tomato sauce or salsa sauce on top. After that, I crack one egg into the bowl and add some pizza cheese on top. Then I put it in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes. It is very simple, but it turns into a warm and tasty gratin. The best part is that it is quite filling, so I do not feel hungry again too quickly. When I get a little tired of tofu, I sometimes make a cabbage and egg pancake instead. I chop the cabbage into small pieces, mix it with eggs, and cook it in a frying pan. It tastes a bit like a vegetable pancake, and it is also very satisfying. I am not sure if it is perfect diet food, but for me, it feels healthy, simple, and easy to keep eating. So these days, tofu and cabbage have become my favorite simple diet ingredients.